익숙해지면 안 되는데 그게 더
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iman Hakimi bin Adnan. My number matric is 070800. So today I'll be reviewing pastry which is croissant. So basically croissants are a popular pastry known for their flaky and buttery texture. They are originate in France and have become a beloved trade around the world. Croissants are made using a dough called laminate dough, which is a process that involves layering butter between multiple layers of dough. So let's have a taste of this croissant. One more bite. So in my opinion, croissants have a distinct flavor that is both rich and buttery. The dough is lightly sweetened, giving a hint of sweetness that complements the buttery taste. In conclusion, croissants are a delightful pastry with their rich, buttery taste and flaky, tender texture. Whether you are enjoying a classic plain croissant or exploring different variation, the experience is always a treat for the sense. So that's all for me for my review about this croissant. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iman Hakimi bin Adnan. So today I'm with my customer that I will be interviewing about my croissant. So, dear customer, what is your name? Introduce yourself first.
My name is Muhammad Alif Hakimi bin Muhammad Zaki.
Okay. So today I would like to ask you a few questions about pastry, which is croissant. So for the first question, can you tell me your opinion about croissant?
In my opinion, croissant have a buttery, flaky and a little bit of sweet taste, and the combination between the butter and the layers of dough creates a rich and indulgent flavor.
Okay. So for the next question, why are there some people that criticize this croissant? Is it that really bad for you?
I also have that lot because the croissant are high in calories, fat and carbohydrates. And also because of the usage of the butter for their flavor, it also contribute to a high calorie and fat content.
Okay, I see. So for the last question, do you recommend the croissant to the people?
I will highly recommend the croissant for all people because it is easy to get in any convenience store or any nearest cafe, and also the price is reasonable. The price is reasonable, and there are also many flavors such as butter, chocolate, strawberry, and etc. And there is also a crispy dough from the outside, but soft in the inside. That will make a lot of people love the croissant.
Okay, Alif, thank you for your cooperation for this interview session.